Welcome to SmartPost for Google Business Pro in Webflow app. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your content posted through SmartPost, either manually or through sync, in the Content Manager. The Content Manager interface is divided into 4 different tabs. The first tab is the Scheduled tab, where all your upcoming scheduled posts are displayed. To reschedule a post, simply click on the Reschedule action button. To make changes, click on the Edit action button. To remove a scheduled post, click on the Delete action button. You can also filter content by type. Each post is clearly identified using a type tag in the All Filter view. Switch to the Drafted tab to view and manage posts saved as drafts. Here as well, you can filter the content easily based on its type. Navigate to the Publish tab to manage content that has already gone live. Click on the Google icon to view the published post directly on the Google Business profile. Just like other tabs, published content can also be filtered by content type. Finally, the Failed tab displays posts that could not be published during scheduled posting, along with the failure reason. Click on Export Failed Content to download an XML file containing detailed failure information. In the next video, we'll walk you through how you can configure OpenAI and use it to enhance the content. Don't forget to check the full documentation or contact our support team if you need any help.